The expression above can be written in the form a y squared plus b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a plus b? All right, so we have ourselves like this weird-looking polynomial thing. Well, let me try to combine like terms, do some distributive property, whatever I have to do. If you have nothing in front of a parentheses, get rid of the parentheses. So I'm rewriting that first parentheses without the parentheses, and it looks like that. This guy I'm going to distribute, so plus 100 y squared minus 1,100. They want it in the form of a y squared plus b. So let me deal with the y squareds first, combine like terms. 200 y squared. And here are my constants. Let's combine those, which are going to be 7,532 minus 1,100 is going to be 6,432. Now that is in the form a y squared plus b, which makes u 200 my a and u 6,432 my b. I need to find out what a plus b is. So 200 plus 6,432 is going to be 6,632. And that is a grid-in answer that we just write in using our number 2 pencils. Dos lápiz. 2 pencil. Número dos lápiz. The answer is 6,632.